Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you how you can earn money online using TimeBucks. There are a lot of sites like TimeBucks, like NeoBucks, but ask me why I am suggesting you this site, because this site draws super secondary prices every week, and the number one guests are $250 per week. So you can earn money, earn $250 per week, not per day. So let's get going. You can sign up here. I've already registered. Let me verify, log in here. So this site gives you $1 sign up bonus, and this site also have the referral system. Whenever you refer to your friend and your friend start making money, you will get a 10% commission from it. On surveys, this site is 100% legit. Don't think that it's not legit or something like that. That's Media. You can earn $0.75 by browsing these surveys. Start. Uh, you can do that. That's easy. Your contents, clicks. You will earn by just clicking. I'll show you how. View the content for 60 seconds. Just click view and wait for the 60 seconds. The pop-up screen will appear. After 60 seconds waiting there, come back to this side. You will be credited. This side don't give you this tab. Sorry, this tab don't gives you better money. So the sign ups. I will tell you how to sign up and earn money. Oh, sorry, ignore this one. Yeah, here is this. You can sign up here. I'm not a robot. Traffic lights. Start sign up. So you have to go to this link, and after registration you have to take the screenshot, and for the proof they ask for the username. You have to give the username that you have registered, and you have to upload the screenshot here by clicking browse image and submit for approval. That's so easy. You will be credited after 1 hour or 2 hours, depending on the site. You can earn from this tab videos. By watching videos you can earn. Offer wall is a good tab for earning money. This tab gives you good enough role. You can earn or play role and earn money. So we don't want these all things. Our motto is only one. We want sweepstake entry price, and here is this tab. Below is a list of prize that will be won. First to $50, second $50, third $30. It means if you get the number one position, you will be credited to $50. And you can see time remaining until prize is on 1 day 4 hours. It draws prizes every week. So I'm going to show you how you will earn sweepstake entries more. This site gives sweepstake entries whenever you do certain things like clicking ads, browsing surveys, or etc. But this site gives you more sweepstake entries by filling captcha. But filling, let's get to the captcha tab. Here you can see that total you have to fill 20 captcha, then you will be credited $0.003. That's so low. But this site gives you more sweepstake entries by filling captchas. So keep that in mind, that you have to fill the captchas daily, and you have to be number one daily, and you will be credited $0.1. Uh, you can below is a list of top 50 people who have completed the most captchas today, and those top 50 people will earn $0.1. That's so low. your motto or your aim is not that. Your aim is to be number one, and whenever you will be number one every day, you will have the most sweepstake entries. Here you can see this is the sweepstake entries. Whenever you will solve solve surveys or click ads or view videos, you will get sweepstake entries, but you won't get more sweepstake entries there. You can only win by just filling captchas filling captchas every day. You have to fill captchas every day and make sure that you remain at the top 30 list daily. At least you have to be at top 30. Now let me show you how you can cash out. You have to go to settings and set the payment options. Here you can see payment method. You can set the payment method, and remember it draws this side. You will you can only be able to draw money or withdraw money when you have $10, and this side sends you the money every week. But keep that in mind. You should have $10 at least. You should have list like Pi, select any of them, and you can easily make the account of Pi ATM. You can easily make them. Just Google it how to make account of Pi, and that's free. And then just browse that Pi account and give browse that Pi account and give them and show them that you have that account. You will start making money. Make sure to make $250 per week. And how you can make that? By filling captchas every day, captcha more and more, and you will earn sweepstake and with more and more. And at the end of the week you will earn the prize.